Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unboxing. Now this comes to me for review from Amazon, and I have been talking to Robert for a while, and he has actually sent me 2 items from his shop. So I am going to do this one first, and then I will do a part 2 of the second item, because I don't want to make this a hour-long video. So, this comes to me from Craft Evolved store on Amazon, and I will leave the link in my description box to the Amazon website to where it'll go directly to this item and the other item. Now, they also have a website and an Instagram, and I will also put both of those links in my description box. That way you can go check out their website and their Instagram. So this is what I was sent for review, and it is a natural soy wax candle making kit for adults. All right, so first off, now it did come in an Amazon box, and the box was smushed, so it did get a little damage right there on the box. But as far as I know, everything inside it is good. I have not opened this other than just to take it out of the Amazon box. All right, so it's pretty hefty, and the box is very pretty, and they have their logo on here, and it's Craft Evolved. So on the front of the box, it just has their logo and the name of their kit. On the end of the box, and I know this is like kind of in your face, but it just has designed by Craft Evolved in Colorado. So this is a US based store. And then it has the it says Craft Evolved products are made to a high standard of quality and comply with all applicable government safety regulations. So that's nice to know. So this is the back of the box. And then it has this. Now this is a QR code, and it will give you 30% off your coupon for your next order and video instructions. And then on the back of the box, it's just the same as what's on the front. All right, so y'all have to excuse the fur babies. They're playing. All right, so this, like I said, is a complete kit for adults. And it comes with everything you need to make candles. And it also has, this company also has a step-by-step ebook. Hold on. Sorry about that. Buster has figured out that when Mama is doing a video, he can get into anything because I'm distracted. But little does he know I'm sitting here watching him. Okay. So, back to what I was saying. This company does have a step-by-step ebook instructions and videos. So, that way you can go and watch to see how to do this. All right, so as we open the box, we have got what this includes, which is 4 candle tins, a TNT light clear plastic, 1 wax melting pot, 1 pillar mode, plus 4 wicks, 1 cotton gift bag, 4 cotton wick long, 4 warning candlesticks, 4 glue dots for candles, 7 die, 1 string, which is 1 meter or 3.3 feet, 1 purple ribbon, which is 1 meter or 3.3 feet. 4 fragrances, 4 stringing stick, 4 natural soy wax, 8 ounces, 12 tea light cotton wicks, 4 round candle stickers, and 4 rectangle candle stickers, 4 wick stabilizers, 1 metal thermometer, and 10 paper tacks. And it says right here that it has the detailed video instructions, a free ebook, and 30% off coupon for your next order. So here are the 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4 soy. I think I hit my light. Let's just move this over here a little closer. All right, so we have the 4 stickers that you put on there, and it says natural soy wax candle. All right. And then we have 4 round stickers. And then we have the warning caution stickers. And then this is the how-to step-by-step, which is pretty cool. I've never made candles before, so I'm definitely going to need that. All right, so here's the cotton bag, and it has their logo on it, Craft Evolved. And it actually feels like canvas. It's pretty nice, actually. It's got a drawstring. It's pretty thick. It's like heavy duty. Okay, so here is 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of natural soy wax. And it does have their website on there. All right. Let me set this over here. And I hope y'all could see what this box looks like. It's pretty deep. Okay, so here is the metal thermometer, which is pretty neat. I guess you just set that on there. All right. And then here's your bag. And it's got all your supplies in it. There's all the wicks. There's the wick stabilizer sticks. Here's the tea lights. This is really neat. See? And then you just put a glue dot in the bottom of that. You stick your wick in there, I'm assuming, because there's the glue dots. And then you just pour your wax over in it, and it makes little tea lights. And there's like 4 little teeth on the bottom so that, you know, it sits. So that's pretty neat. It's really neat. So far, y'all, I am extremely impressed. Okay, so here is the pillar candle mold. Okay. Here's that. I'm not sure how that works, but I have instructions. Up, just like that. Okay. So there's that. And then here are the little gold tins that you can make candles in. So there's 4 of these. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and 4. And then here's the ribbon, which is cool because purple is my favorite color. All right. And then we have this, wow. And it's got their logo on this too. Craft Evolved. And that's wooden. That's metal. And then here's, what was this? Just string. Yeah, it's just string. And then we got some tags. That's pretty cool. And then here's two. But this is the colors. The dye, maybe? Yeah, okay. So that's pretty cool. We've got those. And then these are the scents. All of that was in that cup. It's crazy. And I like the way they have that packaged. So we have cinnamon. And we have lavender. Jasmine. And vanilla. So those are really good flavors. I mean, really, I mean, it's nothing weird. And they're basic. So we don't have any kind of weird stuff. And those are pretty good size bottles. 0.34 ounces. So that's pretty good. That's not bad at all. Look, I'm dropping stuff over here. Get it before Buster does. Alright, so I'm going to pause, and then I'm going to kind of spread this out to where it doesn't look like a big jumbled pile of mess here. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I've kind of tried to make this look a little bit better than, like I said, just being, you know, thrown all over my desk. And this is a lot of stuff that comes in this box. And I think that it is great for a beginner. Absolutely great for a beginner. But I just want to say thank you to Robert for sending this to me to show to everyone. And like I said, I will definitely leave the links to this on my description box so that y'all can go straight there. And I will also leave their Instagram and their website. And like I said, this is a super, super kit for a beginner, or even, you know, you ain't even got to be a beginner, just somebody that likes to do candles. So I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I hope that, Robert, that you enjoyed this video. I'm not a professional by no means, but I really do love this kit. So my next video will be something else that Robert sent me, and I hope y'all enjoy it, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next one, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.